Make you no fear, I dey with you. Wike don tell PDP National Secretary Anyanwu. Welcome country people to Synok Media. Abeg, if you never subscribe to our channel, make you do so now. Make you put on your notification button. It go give you alert of our updates. Make you like, comment, and share our videos. The Minister for the Federal Capital Territory, Wike, he don congratulate Samuel Anyanwu, National Secretary of the People's Democratic Party (PDP), on his 60th birthday. As in dey talk for the birthday ceremony, when he also coincide with the presentation of a book titled Sam Daddy in My Eyes on Saturday for Abuja, Wike praised Anyanwu over a confirmation as the PDP National Secretary. According to Wike, as he tell Anyanwu, I dey happy with the crowd when I dey see here. It shows say you are a man of the people. Make I assure you, for people like us, we go stand with you. We go continue to be with you. It no matter wetin anybody go talk. Nobody dey fight war, dey win and come dey beg. You don win, and the people concerned, make dem come, make dem talk to you. No be you go invite them. You no dey fight and win, then people go say come. No, na you go tell them make dem come meet you. You get people like me, so no fear. I dey here. We don do am before, we go do am again. Some people no go dey happy, but I dey happy. Wetin dey make man na im character, and no be how much money im get or the food wey e dey provide. If you no get character, then you go still also forget the food wey you get. Wike say he advise Anyanwu make e dey steadfast and unyielding for the struggle for the National Secretary position. Wike come talk. So I warn am, if you know say you no go fit stand firm, make you talk am now.